this is Jared.
Yeah.
And this is
our
me.
This is our video camera, and this is Brian. Yeah.
And we're going to, this is Creative Boy Studios here, and we're going to film
the siren.
This tornado siren.
Today is the 5th of August. The first
it's
Wednesday.
It's the
6th. 6th already?
Yeah, it's the 6th.
Oh, cool.
We're going to film this siren.
On the first Wednesday of the month, as last year.
Minnesota, tornado drill. That's the water tower. Yeah, I'm going to set it on here and start recording.
This is part of our wonderful documentary. Bonus fecal matter.
What?
Look at those bikes. Nah, forget them. God, prickly thorn. This is fuzz. This is what we make clothes out of sometimes, I think. I'm not sure.
Here, does this shot look good?
You might want to zoom in a little more.
Like,
just get, I don't know, get a little bit more of the rotation. If you zoomed in a little.
Well, I'm going to stand here and I'm going to zoom in on it.
This is fuzz.
There, rotate.
Oh, whoops, you. It's the right of the people to alter or abolish it.
I'm going to move this side to side.
Okay.
Alright, let's go over here now. It's recording, so...
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's recording. Alright, I better be sure.
Yeah. Don't want to miss it.
Oh, that would really, really suck. What is this? There's like something in the corner of the lens. Oh, it's the water tower. I see.
It's the water tower? I thought for a second there was an anomaly again.
A UFO.
With my mom. When it's almost 2 minutes.
Recording. Let's go.
Oh, you bumped it.
I just bumped it.
Documentary in session.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Check it.
Oh, that looks good. Alright, let's back up. And I'll come over here and... First one that alert lasts long.
Well, that's our documentary. That's the siren. It's the August 6th, first Wednesday of the month, siren test. Near North High Drive, Meadowlinks.
And the Country Club Golf Course.